Normal interview questions on data structure and algorithms. What is a data structure? What are the different types of data structures? What is a linked list and how does it work? What is a stack and how does it work? What is a queue and how does it work? What is a binary tree and how does it work? What is a heap and how does it work? What is a hash table and how does it work? What is a graph and how does it work? What is a dynamic programming and how does it work? What is a greedy algorithm and how does it work? What is a sorting algorithm and how does it work? What is the time complexity of bubble sort? What is the time complexity of insertion sort? What is the time complexity of selection sort? What is the time complexity of merge sort? What is the time complexity of quick sort? What is the time complexity of heap sort? What is the time complexity of binary search? What is a search algorithm and how does it work? What is a breadth-first search and how does it work? What is a depth-first search and how does it work? What is a Dijkstra's algorithm and how does it work? What is a Bellman-Ford algorithm and how does it work? What is a Floyd-Warshall algorithm and how does it work? What is a Kruskal's algorithm and how does it work? What is a Prim's algorithm and how does it work? What is a matrix exponentiation and how does it work? What is a backtracking algorithm and how does it work? What is a recursion and how does it work? What is a divide and conquer algorithm and how does it work? What is a dynamic programming algorithm and how does it work? Now let's see advanced interview questions on data structure and algorithms. How would you implement a skip list data structure? How would you implement a threaded binary tree? How would you implement a Fibonacci heap? How would you implement a union-find data structure? How would you implement a tri-data structure? How would you implement a disjoint set data structure? How would you implement a segment tree? How would you implement a KT tree? How would you implement a B tree? How would you implement a Huffman coding tree? How would you implement a radix tree? How would you implement a matrix chain multiplication algorithm? How would you implement the Johnson's algorithm for all pairs shortest paths? How would you implement a maximum flow algorithm such as Edmonds-Karp or the push relabel algorithm? How would you implement the weighted job scheduling algorithm? How would you implement the knapsack problem with unlimited supply of items? How would you implement the knapsack problem with a limited number of items? How would you implement the activity selection problem with conflicting activities? How would you implement a sorting algorithm with complexity O(n) log n in the average case? How would you implement a sorting algorithm with complexity O(n) log n in the worst case? How would you implement a parallel sorting algorithm? How would you implement the closest pair of points algorithm? How would you implement the 2D orthogonal range searching algorithm? How would you implement the linear programming algorithm? How would you implement a genetic algorithm for optimization problems? How would you implement a branch and bound algorithm for optimization problems?